Good day to all of you. My name is Venkata Jagadish Kumar. Today I will be speaking about Ichimoku Strategy. Disclaimer is I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This video is purely for educational purpose only. Consult your financial advisor for any investments, trading, so on. The Ichimoku trading strategy was first developed by Goichi Hosoda, a Tokyo-based journalist of Japan in 1968. The word Ichimoku Kinko Hayo is a Japanese word which means one look equilibrium chart. Just by a glance at the chart with this indicator on, we can quickly tell what is the direction of the price or index or stock. That is the advantage of this Ichimoku chart or trading strategy. This Ichimoku strategy has about 5 lines or 5 components like Tenkan Sen, Kijun Sen, Chikou Span, Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B. I'll be discussing one by one and showing in the chart or graph these lines. The first line is Tenkan Sen or conversion line. It is average. It is an average or middle point of 9-period highest highs and 9-period lowest lows. Since the time period is only 9, it is a short-term moving average we can consider. If the price is above this Tenkan Sen line or conversion line in English, it will be considered as bullish. And if the price is below this Tenkan Sen line, it is considered as bearishness. And if the price is just hovering around this Tenkan Sen line, we take it as consolidation. So let me show this Tenkan Sen line on the chart. This is the Tenkan Sen line, blue line. The blue line is the Tenkan Sen line. Here we are having 4 charts. So the first one is a weekly chart. This is the weekly chart W, and here day chart day D. This is the 1 hourly chart 60 and 15-minute chart. So whenever the price candle is above this the Tenkan Sen line, we take it as bullishness. And if the price is below the Tenkan Sen line, a bearishness here to here and here to here, we can see here. This is the natural gas futures chart. Similarly, in the day frame also we can find out here to here bullishness is sign, and this area we can take it as consolidation, this whole area. So this is the short period 15-minute chart. Here once the candle is closing above the Tenkan Sen line, bullish trades may be taken here if the price candle is above the Tenkan Sen line. Okay, now let us move to the second line. The second line is Kijun Sen line, translated as baseline. It is the average of 26-period highest highs and 26-period lowest lows. Since the time period is long, 26 periods, it is considered as a medium-term line. It works as a medium-term support, resistance line, so on. The Kijun Sen line or baseline has the same implication as the Tenkan Sen line. If the price is above this Kijun Sen line, we take it as bullishness, and if the price is below the Kijun Sen line, we take it as bearishness. And just hovering around that line, some consolidation going on. So let us look at the Kijun Sen line chart. This is the Kijun Sen chart. Same 4 periods we are seeing here on the natural gas futures chart. This red line is the Kijun Sen or baseline. Yeah. So once the price is below bearishness, price above bullishness, hovering around like this, bearishness consolidation. So in the short period 15-minute chart, we can see much more clearly. Once the price is above this, we are finding some bullishness here. This is the Kijun Sen line. Now let us go back to the next line. Chikou Span line or lagging span line. Chikou Span or lagging span, as the name itself is indicating, it is current closing price compared to the earlier 26 period behind price. In other words, we are comparing current price to previous price 26 periods back. So Chikou Span also will give a line, and that line is plotted 26 periods behind. So if the price Chikou Span line is below the price candle 26 period back, it is considered as bearishness or bearish momentum. If the Chikou Span line is above the 26 period behind price, it implies current price is more than the earlier price and bullish momentum. So let us look about Chikou Span in the chart. This is the Chikou Span. The green line is the Chikou Span line plotted 26 periods behind. This is the current price and the Chikou Span line is here. Okay. So whenever the Chikou Span line is above the price candle indicates bullishness. The current price is bullish over the earlier prices. Same here in day time frame also looking like this. And in more clear here in a 15-minute chart, current price is above the earlier 26 period back price. So as I already told you, if the Chikou Span line is above, indicates bullishness, and if Chikou Span line is bearish, it indicates bearishness. Now let us go back to the Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B. The Senkou Span A leading span A is also an average of Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen plotted 26 periods ahead. So we are taking the average of conversion line and baseline basically and plotting 26 periods ahead from the current price. So you get a line here too, but plotted ahead of the current price. And Senkou Span B or leading span B is the average of 52 period highest highs and 52 period lowest lows. These two plotted 26 periods ahead. The Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B both give or provide two lines. The area between these two lines is plotted green or red according to bullishness or bearishness. In fact, this is the cloud which is called Kumo in Japanese. So let us look at these lines in the chart. This is the Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B lines here. Here, if you observe, Senkou Span A crossing the Senkou Span B from bottom to up here. Senkou Span A crossing the Senkou Span B like this. Whenever Senkou Span A is going above the Senkou Span B, it indicates bullishness. So this is how it is going up here, and little consolidation at this edge. And if Senkou Span is coming down, cutting Senkou Span B, as I am showing here in the weekly chart, it indicates bearishness in that particular time frame. So the price is lower or either consolidating. So basically, Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B, the area between them is colored either red or green. Okay, green if it is bullish, like you are seeing here. Generally, traders take bullish trades if price candles are above the cloud like this, and bearish trades if the price candles are below the cloud. This is also called bullish twist. When Senkou Span A is going above the Senkou Span B line, it is called bullish twist. And if the Senkou Span A is coming down and Senkou Span crossing Senkou Span B and coming downside like this, it is considered as bearish twist. Now let us look at the crossover. This shows Kijun Sen and Tenkan Sen crossover. The blue line is Tenkan Sen and the red line is Kijun Sen. The crossover of Tenkan Sen line from bottom to upside crossing the Kijun Sen line like this, it shows bullishness. Kijun Sen crossing the the Tenkan Sen line crossing the Kijun Sen line for the upside, towards upside, indicates bullishness. This is an important crossover because it is an average. It is an average of averages, right? So the moving average crossover we can consider in simple words. So once the Tenkan Sen is crossing the Kijun Sen like this, we will get a bullish trades. Conversely, if the Tenkan Sen is crossing towards the downside like this, as I am showing here in the weekly chart, Tenkan Sen is crossing the Kijun Sen line, and price candles are below. Once price candles are below, traders take bearish trades in this range. So that is about the positive Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen crossover, and negative Tenkan Sen Kijun Sen crossover for bearishness here. More importantly, traders are more interested to take into consideration all the lines which has been shown in the last chart here. This is the last chart. Here all lines are considered. The blue line Tenkan Sen, the red line Kijun Sen, the Chikou Span line. I'm looking at daytime chart here. And the Senkou Span A and Senkou Span B taken. So once the price, one type of trade traders take is price candles above the Tenkan Sen and Kijun Sen crossover. That one type of trade can be taken for bullish trades. And here we see Chikou Span line is showing bullishness because present current price is above the 26 period behind price, so bullish momentum is there. And in fact, conservative traders wait till price candles are above the cloud for bullish trades, and for bearish trades they see that price candles are below the cloud. So when everything is favoring, then only conservative traders enter into trades. This is about the Ichimoku Strategy. Thank you one and all.